Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a website link in Microsoft Word. So for example, if you have a sentence like click here and you want the word here is clickable, you just have to select the word and then go to insert, and as you can see here there's a hyperlink. Click hyperlink and then you can fill out your link, your custom link, any link that you have into this address box. So for example, I'm going to pick a random link. For example, I'm going to pick this link, copy, and then we're going to insert, go to hyperlink, paste it, and click OK. Now the world turned into blue. It means that this word is clickable. So for example, if you export this page into PDF, everyone that has PDF page can click this word. But what if we just paste the original link? It will show the default text from the website. Especially a large website like Upwork, they have this default text. Well, you can still edit it by right click and then click edit hyperlink. Now here, as you can see, in the text to display box, you can custom the word. For example, I'm going to type here and then click OK, and it will change. So I think that's pretty much on how to, play around with website link on Microsoft Word. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.